I'm back with a new video. Today's video is based on how you can delete your Ubisoft account on your device. In order to delete your Ubisoft account, first of all, open up a web browser and make sure that you're already logged into your account. In order to log in, type in ubisoft.com. It's going to direct you to the official web page of Ubisoft. After that, also make sure to, log in into your account. As soon as you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see a profile icon or multiple tools located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. So from the list, you need to go ahead and click on the profile icon. After that, you'll be able to see your information. So you'll need to scroll down a bit, go ahead and click on account management. This is going to direct you to the account management page where you'll be able to see multiple options. Over here, you'll need to go to account information. After that, you'll be able to make changes with your information. Scroll down right to the bottom. You have a link as close your Ubisoft account. If you're sure about closing it, make sure to go through the statement, click on the close button. After that, it's going to ask you to go through all of these information. If you're sure about it, mark on the terms and conditions, click on close my account. As soon as you've done that, you can see that the closing procedure has started. So all you need to do is wait patiently until 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. In this way you can delete your Ubisoft account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.